This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Popular Bentley model, shows like a model home. Better than new, lower price and move-in ready. Open floor plan with 4 spacious bedrooms. Kitchen with granite countertops, tile backsplash, bar seating for 5 or more, stainless steel appliances, gas stove. Custom blinds, luxury vinyl plank flooring downstairs, crown molding. Upstairs laundry for added convenience. Primary bedroom with separate shower and garden tub, double sinks. Oversized full hall bathroom with separate shower area. Neutral colors throughout. Nice sized fenced yard. Single-family condo and HOA fees include 24-hour access to clubhouse, gym, community room, outdoor pool, playground, and picnic area. Located in sought-after Hickory School District. Minutes from the Expressway, shopping, dining, and entertainment. Short drive to OBX. Don't miss this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.